Hey Mark, nice to see you, mate.
How you going, Lawrence?
Very good, mate. Thanks for having us here today.
Welcome back to Satisfine Foods.
Yes, thank you. Tell us a little about the business and where we are today.
Yeah, sure. So Satisfine Foods has been around for about 20 years. We are a HACCP-approved food wholesaler and distributor, focusing mostly on the HoReCa segment, so that's hotels, restaurants, caterers.
Right.
And we basically sell finished products to the cafes, restaurants, hotels, and the good caterers around Sydney. Have been doing so for the past 20 years.
Right.
And have been using SolBox for the past 4.
Yes.
And been very, very happy with the progress so far. So we get orders through different platforms. We use MYOB as our main source of truth. We also use Automentum, which is a hospitality-based ordering and payments platform, as well as Shopify to power our online platform. Push all of our orders at the end of the day through the SolBox system. Before we introduced SolBox, we were doing it all manually.
Right.
But a few years ago, we introduced the SolBox system with the help of you and Theo. And for us, it's been an absolute game changer. We've been able to push the orders through at the end of the day to the SolBox technology piece, which then gets pushed onto the drivers' devices or their own mobile phones. And from there, we start the process of establishing the runs for the following day's deliveries and orders to be fulfilled. And before that, as I said, we were doing everything manually, but when we've introduced SolBox, it's been an absolute game changer for us. Real-time environment tracking, real-time processing, real-time collection of data. And we also get a live understanding of where our drivers are for the day and where the movements are and where our customers get notifications as to when deliveries are coming through. So
Great.
It's been fantastic for us, to be honest. Most of the time we do next day delivery, and with the SolBox system, we're able to sort of track all that, which has been fantastic. But primarily we do a next day delivery service
Right.
in the Sydney metropolitan area. We do have further runs that are sort of like non-metro.
Yep.
And we do those on a weekly basis. We have a 3:30 p.m. hard cutoff, which is when we start engaging the SolBox system to try and plan out our runs for the following day for our drivers. And they come in the morning, load up their trucks, and off they go on their daily deliveries. That's the system that we've sort of mastered, and it's working quite well for us. And with the SolBox technology, it helps us to sort of get a really good close eye view on those drivers and where they are for the day.